The question that I hear the most is, how can I boost my local SEO? This is $1 million question, right? I can tell you one thing. If you get your business verified on your Google business profile, you have a great chance to boost your SEO. And let's begin with the basic name, address, and phone number. Google does not publicly says anything about SEO or about verification that doesn't go through or suspension metrics. The only thing that Google does is to give you the guidelines. If you do everything that's there, you have a great chance to have your business verified. When I say a great chance, is because Google's AI will always cross-check information. If there is any discrepancies, Google's AI will be flagging and probably you will have your business not verified. SEMrush is a very reliable source that actually measures consumer behavior. It says that 62% of the users does not trust a business if there is no consistency in name, address, and telephone number. Looking at these numbers, and most of the questions with unverified business lack consistency in the documents. Save this video. Make sure that you have these documents. It has to match exactly the way that you have in the real world. Otherwise, you're not going to be verified. And why this matters? Because you don't want to be invisible. If you are not verified, you are going to send a signal to Google that Google cannot trust you. Google lives for its reputation. This will impact on Google Business Profile was made to have an interaction between clients or guests and business owner. You must have a license or your business or both of you. Your license has to match exactly the address that you put in your business profile. You cannot have your license on your home address and your Google business profile show another one. That has to match. It has to be a mirror, exactly the same. If you have more than one license, you just need to show one. Make sure that the one that you show, it's exactly the same that you have in your Google business profile. Always think about Google business profile and your license. They have to be identical. You need a proof of address. The proof of address that Google relies on is the big three: electricity, water or sewage, telephone, internet. It has to be a recent utility bill in the past 60 days. This is what is written in the guidelines. Mobile phone bill, it's not qualified to be a proof of address. Another signal of trust, it is a picture of your business. The permanent brand signage, it's not negotiable. Make sure that it's taken an angle that you can show clearly the main entrance where customers use to access your services. Take a picture in an angle that you can see other business identifiers. This is going to allow Google's AI to cross-reference your photo with Street View data. This way, Google's AI is going to be able to cross-reference your photo with Street View data to verify the location. The bank statement can be a verification of your business. As a business, it has to be identical to your business profile. If the address doesn't match, it's not a mirror. Make sure that you have everything ready and in the right order. This way, it's going to be easier for you to be verified. The big question now, it is not how can I boost my SEO, but do I have everything that I need to have my SEO boosted? By the time that you have your name, your address, and your phone number on point, make sure that you have your website, your social media. Start to think of your Google business profile as your identity to the world. This is the way that everybody's going to see you. Google doesn't say anything about SEO directly, but Google give you tools that you can check your performance. Try to optimize your Google business profile as a trust signal to Google. Google is the entity that wants to show you the most. They just need a signal to trust you. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoy it. If you did, like and subscribe to this channel.